So we must have this right perspective to look at this entire what do you say, itihasa, history, and scriptures which are connected with such stories. As spiritual seekers, though, our attention should be on something way different. Look at Ramayana, how Adi Shankaracharya looks at Ramayana. What did he do? He kept the story aside and he looked at it from spiritual angle. Atma Ramo Virajate. Isn't it? Where? Thank you. Atma Bodha text. In one verse, he shows that entire thing. What is the killing of asuras means what? Crossing of ocean means what? So you take the entire spiritual aspect of it. So keep the dharma concept aside, keep the story aside, see what can you learn from it. Alright? That is the purpose. Now that is clear. Now let us go to two stutis we are going to see, Sri Rama Stuti and Sri Krishna Stuti. Both are composed by Goswami Tulsidasa. Goswami Tulsidas ji has composed both these stutis in Avadhi plus Sanskrit mixture. Okay, so certain words will be there which are in Sanskrit. Words are Sanskrit only, but grammar etc. most of the times will be Avadhi. Okay, very famous this is. What we will do is we will chant, we will sing complete and then we will see the meaning. One verse cutting is not nice. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajuman Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam. नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम श्री श्रीराम श्रीराम कंदर्प गणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुंदरम पटपीतमानहु तडित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम् नौमि जनक सुतावरम् श्रीराम 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 भजु दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकंदनम् रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, सिरमुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदारु अंग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज शर चापधर संग्रामजित खर दूषणम् श्री राम, श्री राम, श्री राम, श्री राम, इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेषमुनि मनरंजनम् मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादिखलदलगञ्जनम् हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादिखलदलगञ्जनम् श्रीराम, श्रीराम, श्री राम, श्री राम, श्री राम, श्री राम, सियावर रामचंद्र की। Very beautiful stuti. Many different tunes are there. Lata Mangeshkar ji has also sung. Okay, what Tulsidas ji is saying: Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Man Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Beautiful kriti. Kripalu Shri Ramachandra. Bhagavan Shri Ramachandra is very Kripalu. Kripalu, very compassionate. And therefore, Bhaju Man, O mind, worship this most compassionate Bhagavan Shri Rama. Why? Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Because this Daruna Bhava Bhaya, Daruna means terrible. Bhava Bhaya, fear of samsara. Bhava Bhaya, fear of samsara. This terrible fear of samsara, Harana, will be taken away by him. That is what he is. So please worship, O my mind, worship this Sri Rama, who will take away the most terrible fear of samsara. Why? Because he is most compassionate.